3406.
Hi, this is another quick video regarding the CPS of OpenGD77 firmware. It's nothing special, I just encountered a problem while working with OpenGD77 and other programs from other radios. I have to say that because it's something that happens when you mix CPS programs in your Windows PC. It might be either Windows 10 or Windows 11, I don't know. I have Windows 10. I'm not currently moving to Windows 11 as of yet. I'll probably go to Linux at some point, but at the moment I am staying in Windows 10. So as you know, because of the channel, I switch a lot between radios and CPS software from various companies, and some of them mess with things that they shouldn't anyway, or maybe there's a small corruption somewhere in your Windows system, the registry, a file path, a removed file, another common thing. And when you try to open the OpenGD77 CPS, you get this error. You will see it now. There we go. So it says unhandled exception has occurred in your application, blah, blah, blah. If you continue, and the application behind it, it seems unresponsive and kind of garbled, I have to say. If you check the details here, it says a lot of things about the just-in-time debugging. I have to say that I tried to interpret the error. I even used some AI to guide me through this. Nothing good came out of it, I have to say that. I reinstalled .NET 4 a lot of times just because I found this reference a lot in this error message about the .NET drivers, but it didn't fix the error. So I continued looking around, and because I saw this in many questions in Facebook groups and also in many forums regarding the OpenGD77, I know it's an old CPS, and also I know that this is an old problem. This also happens sometimes if you haven't installed the USB drivers, but I'm not checking this at the moment. I assume that you have installed correctly the OpenGD77 and that you work with it, but randomly this happens. This is because when you open the CPS, at this particular moment, it can't find some files, especially some save files of your configuration, a code plug path, and it throws this error and can't continue. I won't discuss if this is bad programming or something like that. We don't care about that right now, but let's see how we can fix it. And after some searching around, I found that the easiest solution is to delete the registry entries of OpenGD77 in Windows registry. I know that this is not something that you normally do in Windows. You shouldn't mess with the registry unless you know what you're doing. Well, I mess with it sometimes, taking all precautions, and believe me, I know what I'm doing most of the times. So I just wrote this batch file. It's a command file of Windows that deletes this entry here. You can do it yourself if you don't trust the command file that I will put in the description of the video. This is the entry of OpenGD77 in the registry, and if I click it here, it will ask me if I agree to delete this registry key. I will press yes. Okay, registry settings deleted successfully, and now if I go to OpenGD77 and open it, you will see that it loads normally, as it would in the first time that we would open it. It even gives me the confirmation message of the CPS when you run it for the first time in your computer. And of course it works normally, as it should. You can now load your save files, your code plugs, and communicate with your DMR radio. Just for a proof of concept, I will show you now how this error happens. Okay, obviously blurred the other software. I don't want to discuss it in this video and also talk about why this is happening. I'm sorry. But now if I go and open the OpenGD77 CPS again, we will have the well-known error of unhandled exception. That was it. Again, the registry entry of OpenGD77 in Windows is messed up, so we can't run it normally. We have to delete again the entry, and now it will work as it should. Perfect. I really hope when you get this error to find this video to help you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.